I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. And then I spent so many nights thinking how he did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to carry on. Oh, you're back from outer space. I just walked in and found you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock, should have made you leave your key. If I'd known for just once you'd be back to bother me. Going on up, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I could rumble? Did you think I'd lay down and down? No, not I was a fighter. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give. I was a fighter. I was a fighter.
Perkenalkan, saya Surya Dharma SSTP MSI, Kecamatan Tapatuan. Kami sangat berterima kasih kepada pihak kepolisian yang sudah melaksanakan kegiatan gotong royong memerangi sampah sesuai dengan Hari Lingkungan Hidup. Kita berharap ke depannya ini menjadi momentum terakhir kita bersama-sama bisa lebih menyadari dan tidak membuang sampah sembarangan. Selanjutnya kita juga berharap kepada masyarakat bisa menjaga kebersihan seperti apa yang sudah kita lakukan kegiatan hari ini.
To be free, now I'm saving on my left for someone loving me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbyes? Think I'd crumble?